Hello and welcome to Pregnancy Info. Today we will discuss 30 healthy pregnancy secrets. Pregnant women are full of hope and worry. Will my baby be okay? Will I? Most to be are also hungry for ideas that can help them enjoy being pregnant and to cope with problems that inevitably arise. Here are 30 great ideas that are guide for pregnancy and birth. Coping with craving. Craving are normal in pregnancy, not a sign that something is wrong. If you are craving something unhealthy, try to eat something healthy instead. For example, yogurt instead of ice cream. Easing swelling. During pregnancy, swelling of feet and fingers. Wherever you have the chance, put your feet up, especially at night while watching TV. It's helpful to keep a footstool nearby. Coping with morning sickness. During first pregnancy, intense morning sickness can happen, but here is an amazing remedy of fresh ginger. Take a thumbnail-sized piece of fresh ginger root, chopped in fine, and steep it like you would tea in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes. You should sip that all day long and chew the ginger at the bottom of each mug. Your nausea will decrease by about 50%. Noticing odd tastes and smells during pregnancy. You should sensitive to smells at home, but in the hospital, smelling the cleaning solutions, air fresheners, and antiseptic soap made you queasy. Fighting fatigue. Standing on your feet will be exhausting, so you should practice rolling stools. You will roll it in the hall between exams rooms instead of walking. Preparing spots for baby. Your pets may not accept your incoming baby, so you have to prepare their mind for the upcoming baby and make them to welcome them happily. Treating back pain. Late in one pregnancy, sciatica pain in the lower back can run down the leg. There is not much you can do for that when you are pregnant. You can got a massage from a massage therapist who specialized in treating pregnant women. It can help you temporarily, but yet was the hour of relaxing and being pampered. You can feel better. Breathing easy. Shortness of breath can be a problem for pregnant women. You should walk as much as possible and sit down to catch breathe a lot. And you should take a pillow under your shoulders instead of head. Controlling labor pain. It's possible to have a natural birth when you are on your back and tied up with IVs and monitors. Lying down is the wrong thing to do. Secret to make it through labor was walking. You should walk and don't think anymore. Just walk and walk. Resting up before delivery. Before delivery, you should get a lot of rest, and the good idea is to take pedicure that will relax you more. Sharing the good news. It is a hard thing to declare your early pregnancy, so this is also a secret that you should share this news at 5th month of pregnancy. Getting more calcium. Lactose intolerance can happen due to dairy products, and this will result in swelling and much more. So you should take liquid calcium or calcium pills as you can consume. Meditating to relax. Meditation is a huge part of life. Sitting quietly in meditation allows brain to rinse out like clothes in a washing machine. The chance to sit quietly and to learn to be an observer is a helpful skill in pregnancy and in parenting. It helps you be more receptive to what your kid says. Decorating your nursery. During pregnancy, here is a task for you that you have to decorate the nursery for your upcoming baby. You can do it in the last trimester because here you have the urge of nesting also. Weaning off the bean. You should reduce the intake of caffeine or coffee. It is recommended that you should take half amount of the regular amount you consume daily. Picking a pediatrician. It's good to ask friends for doctor recommendations. There are many doctors, but you should find a doctor that is affordable and reliable and has much more experience in the field of pediatrician. Taking photos of your belly. It is a great fun for you that you click the photo on each week of pregnancy, and you will see afterwards that you will be glad to see the progress, and it will be the memory of your future. Going to prenatal visits. It is also a secret that you should continuously visit your OB/GYN because it will help you to understand your pregnancy and the problems and complications also. Taking prenatal vitamins. Vitamins cannot help if you throw them up. If you have morning sickness and can't choke down your prenatal vitamins, chew a children's vitamins instead. One popular brand contains 400 microgram of folic acid, which is what most experts recommend pregnant women get each day. Easing heartburn. When you are pregnant, it is common to have heartburn. You can eat ice cream and sipping milk that will help you to calm down your problem of heartburn. Enjoying sex. During pregnancy, if your pregnancy is safe, then it is a good time to enjoy your sex. But if there are complications, then it's the secret that you can do it happily in the second trimester, because in the first trimester and the last trimester are dangerous for this purpose. Coping with constipation. Due to pregnancy hormones, you should feel a lot of constipation. For that, you should eat a balanced diet with many more fibers and prenatal vitamins that can soften your stool and help to ease constipation. Handling unsolicited advice. When you get unsolicited advice, feel free to blurt out the rudest thing you can think of. Blame it on the pregnancy hormones. Soothing itchy skin. During pregnancy, belly can have too much itching. Vitamin E and cocoa butter lotion help it out. If the itching is intense, you can put an ice pack on it. This is also a secret. Consider cord blood banking. Researchers are finding more and more applications for stem cells, so I think that in the future cord blood might be even more useful. So find out the cord of blood in your children, husband, and in you too. Packing your birth bag. It is good to pack your bag in the third trimester, because at this stage you can go anytime to hospital in rushing. So if you have packed your bag properly, then there is no worries. Easing your fears. Pregnancy is overwhelming. This is probably good preparation for parenting, which is even more overwhelming. At some point during pregnancy, you can feel that you are afraid of the day of labor, but you should ease your fear by watching videos and learning the process. Actually, easing foot pain. Be good to your feet or they will make you pay. Favorite shoes during pregnancy cannot be wear. You should wear soft shoes or open shoes. For that, your foot can have swelling in it. So this is the way to ease the foot pain, to wear a comfortable shoe. Going into labor. When you go into labor, then you should take deep breathing, walking, and also watching some TV, movie to spare the time. Seeing your baby for the first time. It can not adequately describe that how you can feel when your baby will born. You will feel like an angel in your hand, or you can see a fairy in your arms. So this is a real time that you can see the baby's eyelashes, fingernails, and his beauty. So you should always click the pictures for this event, that they will remind you later the beautiful days of first time becoming mom. So these are the secrets of pregnancy. You can follow these advices and you will feel your pregnancy safe and beautiful. Thank you.